What is up, guys? We're back 4th of July. It is very loud, so if you hear the bombs going off in the back, that is everybody else shooting off fireworks. But anyway, we're going to get back into BITLEs, and BITLEs is looking pretty good.
Dad, where's my boo?
You're what?
Can I talk in there?
No, right not yet. So we're going to get back into BITLEs and talk a little bit about what's going on, how it's been going since the last video, and I have just been really just letting it do what it do. And got one person here on the team so far that signed up with my link. Appreciate that. I'll reiterate again that you really have to take advantage of programs and coins that come through, because a lot of these coins, they don't have a lot of life in them. A lot of these programs don't have a lot of life in them, but you have to find the sweet spot in when getting in and when how to get out. And BITLEs kind of reminds me of a platform years back called Litecoin, and Litecoin was new. Many people weren't really paying attention to it at first because everybody was still on BitConnect and that whole scandal thing that went down. But everybody was like really not looking at Litecoin, and Litecoin was doing some really good things. It was actually the first platform that allowed staking actually on their platform. And I remember getting on Litecoin, and I don't even remember how much I put into it. I think I put in like $400, and I put it into the staking. I didn't trade the Litecoin. I used a little bit of the trading bot, but I didn't really focus on that. I focused on the staking. And I think I staked and reinvested every single time. And I just let it build up, and I let it build up, and I let it build up. And once I noticed some of the bigger fish coming in and taking notice of the Litecoin, I really started to like try to put more focus in on the staking, because I knew that those guys can come in, buy a ton of tokens, or by putting it into the platform and getting a ton of tokens. And if I was going to capitalize on being successful, I was going to need as many tokens as I could. Long story short, with Litecoin, I ended up cashing out like over 20K just from Litecoin, just from the stuff that I staked. And I was in and I was out, and it was great. Anyway. Sure. So, looking back into it, we have, yes, they have staking, which is pretty dope. Staking reward so far is 23.76 BITLEs, BITLE tokens. Right now, still saying a carry per day. It's still frozen. My 198 is still frozen. It's not too bad. Available in balance, so we got 0.9 in balance, and we did the 200 days. Let's just hope that we can get through 200 days, which I think that we can. I mean, they're doing the company's doing a lot of good things that shows us that they're going to stay in it for the long haul. Right now, the token is at 62 cents, which is still pretty good. From when it first started, I think it has plenty of game left. I think it still has plenty of meat in the game. I mean, if you think of tokens that had absolutely no like real backing or real evidence of what they were doing in BitConnect, and you saw how much the BitConnect token got up in price on CoinMarketCap, was insane. Top 10, top 5. And that's when it really started to become exposed for their lack of, I wouldn't say integrity, but yes, integrity, or their lack of transparency in what they were doing, which caused a panic, which caused the big stink where they just took off with everybody's money. These guys seem a little bit different, but again, as always, you got to take everything with a grain of salt. Know when to get in, know when to get out. Nobody, not even can tell you how long these programs and how long these tokens are going to be around. You have to it's just like the stock market, man. You have to know when to get in, get out. But on our limited plan here, which we did almost zero point 0.5 Ethereum, we have gotten 12.5% back. That is 17.85 BITLE tokens. This is our excess, which is pretty dope. And again, I think our limited, what was our time on our limited? 98 days. So almost half the amount of time as the staking, which is why I wanted to put half in staking and half in the limited package. So at least if we get, at least if hopefully they're around for 200 days since I put in that deposit. But if not, hopefully they're around for 100. Now I'm just saying hopefully because, like I said, man, there's no guarantee in these things. You got to know when to get in, get out. And with their plans, the base plan is probably your safest plan because you can pull out anytime you want, as you can see. So that's a little less stress on most people. The rest of the options they give you, you cannot do that. You have, I lied. You can withdraw anytime with the medium as well, and with the optimal. But those have a higher, deposit. So you have to actually put in a higher deposit to join those. For some reason, I didn't see that last time, and that's what they're hoping for more people to probably put into these categories, and people who don't really want to jump in too much up here. That's where you got to keep your money in longer. So let's go take a look at the BITLE token. It's not bad, man. Really not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Let's go to the trading live. Check out what they're doing. You can see they got some stuff going on here with the trades. Last 24 hours, up to date all the time. It's just pretty dope. I like that transparency. But yeah, like I said, we only got one partner so far. Hopefully they're doing just as well. I'm not really interested in the building too much. I'm really interested in the program just to see what it can do. You know what I mean? Put in a low amount of money, see what it does. That way, if you get burned, you're not losing too much. And if you get paid, then it's profit. So that's the name of the game with all these tokens. It doesn't matter if it's on Coinbase. It doesn't matter where you're buying it from. All these tokens are not guaranteed to see tomorrow. Maybe Bitcoin. But you have to keep that in mind when getting involved with cryptocurrency, period. Doesn't matter how good the white paper is. Doesn't matter how good anything is. They're not guaranteed. So take advantage while you can and make some money. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.